Hello students, welcome in the channel of Maharashtra Media. आज आपण बघणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 5th EVS lesson number 7. Let us solve our problems. याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स. ते सुरू करण्याच्या पूर्वी मुलांनो, जर तुम्ही चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब नसेल केलं तर सबस्क्राइब करा आणि शेअर करा तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सला, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला सगळे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स या प्लॅटफॉर्म वरती मिळतील. तर सुरू करूया आपण आपला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज fill in the blanks. फर्स्ट वन पहिला आहे बघा. Turning a blind eye towards the problem makes them worse. It is important to be able to identify issues. Question number 2, answer in one sentence. एका वाक्यात उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is meant by the issue in civic life? Issue म्हणजे काय? The problem faced by the people in cities and villages are called as issues in the civic life. त्यामधलं बी बिट how can problems in civic life be solved? Problems in the civic life can be solved through everyone's efforts and cooperation. Name the great personalities that stressed the importance of the cleanliness. Sant Gadge Baba and Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj are the two great personalities that stressed the importance of cleanliness. Question number 3, answer in short. First bit question is explain the concept of cleaning the village through Shramdan. Answer is the people of Khudwadi village in Usmanabad district cleaned their villages through Shramdan or voluntary contribution of the labor. They decided that everyone should help in the cleaning of the village. First, the wastewater was dealt with. The garbage was used to make the manure using the vermiculture. A toilet was built in each house. खालचं बी बीट बघूया आपण. Second question. So your question is how can a suitable environment for the peace be created? How can एक चांगलं वातावरण कसं क्रिएट करू शकतो? पीस म्हणजे शांततेसाठी. For a society to be peaceful, the basic needs of all its section needs to be met. Each person must get the necessary security. The exploitation in the society must stop. Inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in the public life. By learning the importance of the peace and by using the peaceful method, we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school and community. Question number 4. What will you do in the following situation? तुम्ही काय कराल जर अशी सिच्युएशन आली तर बघा फर्स्ट वन काय सिच्युएशन आहे तुमच्या पुढे. The class leader wishes to maintain the quiet in the classroom. जो मॉनिटर आहे तो म्हणतो शांतता ठेवा क्लासमध्ये. अशा वेळेस तुम्ही काय करणार? We must listen and obey the class leader. आपण त्यांचं म्हणणं ऐकलं पाहिजे. If all the students honestly obey, then it will be easy to maintain the discipline in the classroom. सगळ्यांनी ऐकलं तर वर्गामध्ये नक्कीच डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन होईल. त्यामधलं बी बीट बघा. For some unavoidable reason, the maths teacher is unable to attend the class today. काहीतरी reason आहे आणि टीचर नाही येणार आहे. So we must take the upper hand of the free time available and quietly do our homework or read some textbook and prepare for the class or simply practice difficult maths sum. Third one आहे. During a match, a dispute has arisen between the two teams on the playground. Dispute म्हणजे भांडण झाले दोन टीम मध्ये. If you are a spectator, we must maintain peace by keeping quiet and not taking sides. If you are a participant, you must be obedient and let the referee, coach or teacher clear the misunderstanding amicably. So students, here we have completed the question answers of lesson number 7. Let us solve our problems. बाकी पण क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स सगळ्या धड्यांचे याच्यावरती आहेत. त्यासाठी तुम्ही चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि शेअर करत राहा. तर मुलांना भेटूया आपण पुढच्या लेसन मध्ये. तोपर्यंत गुड बाय, टेक केअर.